Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing quesadillas in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. Very awesome and easy cook, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so let's get down on some quesadillas. Alright, so right here I got a whole bunch of cheese, bars of cheese, well, just regular bar of cheese, Lucerans. Use a grater. Shred your cheese. You can buy the pre-packaged stuff if you want. They put chemicals and additives. It doesn't melt the same, doesn't taste the same. So get some cheese and shred it yourself is what I recommend, but do whatever you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through a real quick quesadilla process and how to make some awesome quesadillas in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. So we got 4 tortillas here, and we're just using, let me show you here real quick. Yep, just submission, 10 count, just soft taco size tortillas. And the good thing about this is that you can get a lot done. You can do more than 4, but I'm just going to do 4 for you. You can do more than that in the air fryer. But so the first thing you want to do, just take your tortillas, take your cheese over here. We're just going to go ahead and fill one side of the tortilla. Alright, there's a bunch of cheese everywhere. And the thing about this also is, so we're just doing cheese, but the same thing, if you have, some already cooked, steak or chicken or eggs or bacon or bell peppers and onions and stuff like that, this could be the same thing. Actually what I usually do is I like to throw some either steak or chicken with some green onions, some cilantro, all kinds of different sauce and stuff like that. So you can absolutely add all that stuff in here as well, and it's going to cook the same. Alright, all we're doing is heating this up, and the tortilla is going to come out nice and crispy. The cheese is going to be melty, and these are going to be awesome. Alright, so that cheese in there, and then we're just going to fold them in half. Alright, super easy. I know this ain't rocket science, but hold on a second, because we're not done. There's one more step. Like I said though, man, some chicken, some steak, some onions, all up in the middle of these. And how I'm going to show you to cook them is going to be the same way if you had them loaded with whatever you want. So, alright, now the next thing is you're going to want to go in with some high heat oil. Alright, what I'm using here is, you can see it here, but it's avocado oil. You can use vegetable, canola, any other high heat oil. And just give them a quick little spritz on each side. Alright, we're going to flip these babies over. Repeat the process on the other side. Oh, these are so good and so easy. You can make these in batches. So easy, done. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we'll take it to the Ninja Foodi. See you in a minute. Alright guys, so we are at the Ninja Foodi. We are going to get these things perfectly cooked, but I'm going to do this. We're going to turn it on. Now we're going to go to grill. Alright, now we're going to turn this thing up to max. And the reason why is we want some great grill marks. Now you don't have to do this, but I'll explain why here in a minute. We're going to hit start. Give this a few minutes to preheat. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we are done preheating. As you can see, it's in food. We're going to open this up. Ooh, that's hot. I forgot to mention what I'm using inside. So the drip pan, obviously, and then the grill grate it comes with. Alright. So the reason why I'm turning it on high, now you don't have to do that, and I'll explain here in a minute, but I want those beautiful grill marks on my quesadilla. Now if you don't want those, I'll give you a second option here, but I love them. For sure. So I'm going to get in there. We're going to get these all in there. Oh yeah, just like that. Get over there. There you go. Alright, so now what we're going to do, after you get them in there, is we're going to close this thing up. Now we're going to turn it off. Alright, turn it back on. We're going to pick the bake function. We're going to turn it down, to 300. I'll just leave it at 25. It's going to take about 3 minutes. So it says add food, so just open the top up and close it. It'll resume. We'll give it 3 minutes. And we'll be right back. Alright guys, count down 3, 2, 1. 3 minutes in. I don't know if you can see cheese a melting. Oh, nice. Oh man, you know what we're gonna do? Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Is grab one of these tongs here and flip this bad boy over, and whoo, man, that cheese is just melting. See this? See these marks over here? That is just beautiful. Now, you don't have to preheat this thing on super high if you don't care about the, I just like the presentation. It looks good for the thumbnail, and actually, it just makes it better. I don't know. Beautiful food is always good. So anyway, I'm not even taking it to the cutting board. I'm gonna take you up top. We're gonna pull these things apart. We'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, we are finished with the cook, and these are perfect. Still hot, warm. They've been sitting out for about 7 or so minutes, but nice crispy outside, nice melty cheese. On the inside, one second. Those are good. Now, you can stuff these with anything. Chicken and steak and bacon and peppers and onions and whatever you want, and cook them just that way, and they'll turn out absolutely amazing. So that's how you do quesadillas in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. If you are new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to give a thumbs up, leave an awesome comment. With that being said, we will catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.